We have a set of sisters shopping today. Double the brides, double the dresses, double the trouble.
My name is Megan, and I'm 28 years old. I was engaged 3 months ago, and wedding planning is going great, so I'm really looking forward to it and can't wait to try on some dresses today.
Hi, everyone.
Hi!
My name's Carly. I'm 27 years old. I'm a sign language interpreter, and I've been engaged for 5 months now.
I'm a little nervous about trying on dresses today just because I don't know exactly how it'll go.
Okay, whose idea was this for the two of you to shop together?
It was my idea.
Okay.
It was definitely my idea.
Okay, good. So you don't think it would be a little distracting that you're in your wedding dress and then seeing her in her wedding dress?
No,
Yeah,
I
'cause
think it'll be okay. It might be a little, I don't know, we'll see. It
Yeah,
might
we'll
be a little
totally
weird.
see you. I mean, right here, Megan.
Oh, up here? I want to see her.
Oh my God, that's so pretty on you.
Oh my gosh. You look really good. I definitely like Carly's dress better than the dress that I have on.
Carly, I love it. Love, love, love. You could be done at that one for me, I think. In my mind, when I pictured you, this is it.
It's perfect.
Everyone seems to love this dress. This is the one. They're ready to call it a day, but I'm still unsure.
But I thought, like, I couldn't wear lace, so I'm like, okay, put that aside. Now we're gonna focus on ball gowns. And now you showed me an amazing lace, and I'm like, completely lost.
Do you see what's going on now? I told you so.
Carly looks amazing in her dress, and Megan isn't getting quite the same response, and there's tension.
I like that dress on you, Meg. I really like that it's just really simple and really elegant.
Yeah, you keep
know.
saying like. I don't want you to like it. I want you to
Yeah,
love it.
you know what? It's not perfect.
I think the fact that everyone was immediately drawn to Carly and so overwhelmed just speaks to the fact that this isn't the right dress for me.
Love. Wow.
Oh, Meg, I love it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, Lacey, that's a totally different look on you.
I know, what do you think compared to the lace?
I think the other one is better for your wedding. The dress that Carly has on is definitely not the type of dress that I would pick out for her.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks like a starfish.
No, you don't look like a starfish. But,
I like my dress more than the one Carly's wearing right now.
Meg, that is
really
fab.
great.
Yeah?
What do you think?
Yeah, no, I mean, I think it's beautiful.
Megan, you wanted classic, and that's definitely a classic look.
I think Megan's definitely won this round.
Oh, Meg. Oh, Megan, that's
Carly,
beautiful.
wow. Look, you guys are wearing very similar
Oh,
numbers.
twin brides.
Wow.
I love that. I love the flowers on you, yeah. I think that's really flattering.
For me, it's a beautiful dress, but it's like princessy. And that's not like, I'm not a princess. I am hating myself in this dress and I can't wait to take it off.
I like it.
Of course you do.
Well, yeah. Do you guys like it? No, Aunt Pat does not like it. You don't like it? Why? It has pockets.
I just don't think it's as flattering on you as other things we've seen.
This round, neither of us are winning.
Oh, Meg.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
The second time around, I'm feeling a lot more confident in this dress. Look at Annie Jane. She's gonna cry.
That's beautiful.
I don't like it. I was like, you still look pretty. Still look pretty. Not your dress.
I think it's impossible to have a sister so close in age and not have any moments of sibling rivalry. I'm ready to call it quits on trying on dresses for myself because I feel like Carly's a lot closer to making a decision. This is definitely the best we're gonna do today, but I'm not ready to make that commitment.
Okay.
So I think maybe I'll join Carly's entourage. What's happening over there? Are you having a moment?
I don't know. I'm loving this dress a lot more the second time. I'm still not completely convinced, though, that this is my dress.
You don't owe the dress anything.
I do, but it's so beautiful. Look how beautiful this is.
It is beautiful.
I just want to say this is my dress.
The ball gown was more memorable at the beginning.
Oh, Mama.
I just have a hard time making decisions right on the spot.
I know that I love this. It's so beautiful. But the other one, I felt like I just didn't want to take it off. It was so comfortable and fun, so maybe we'll try that on again.
Maybe. What do you mean maybe?
Maybe
That's a
let's-
yes. I just felt so comfortable I didn't want to take it off. Keisha's out and I'm still going, and I'm just hoping at least one of us makes a sale today. I think it's a killer. I really do.
You need to be true to yourself on your wedding day and this is a great dress for you.
Yeah,
And you look beautiful.
thank you. But I think maybe though this shape is right for me, the actual material here isn't completely what I'm looking for.
The sails are slipping through the fingers.
So this is not your perfect dress.
I don't think this is my perfect dress, no. I just have too many other opinions that I'm worrying about, and I'm just not trusting myself.
Go home, sleep, and whatever you dream about tonight,
Yes.
that's the bride you're going to be.
Okay, I like that.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good answer.
All right, let's take the pressure off. Let's go get our clothes back on.
Okay.